Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone camera shaking on any iPhone. Fix this solution. Do not waste any time. uh, I will request to my all friends, subscribe, share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest video. And if have any problem, so please let me in the comments box. Do not waste any time. So first solution, this problem will be fixed. uh, Volume up button and volume down button and press the power button when you see appears on Apple logo on your screen. Your mobile will be restarted and your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working on your iPhone, then second solution, this problem will be fixed. The second solution, reset all setting on your iPhone, then click on setting and then click on general and then click on transfer or reset. Scroll up and then click on reset and reset all setting and iPhone given a passcode. And make sure you do not lose any data of your mobile. Only reset all setting in iPhone. If their second solution is not working, third solution, update to the latest iOS version. Then again open the setting and then click on general and then click on software update. You up to date iOS on your iPhone and your problem will be fixed. If their third solution is not working, fourth solution, you have clean the camera from backside on your iPhone. If fourth solution and fifth solution, you have open the setting and scroll up and then open the camera app and then click on keep normal photo is turned off and your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.